So yesterday we talked about parallelogram. We talked that the area of parallelogram is base into height, or we can say the product of two sides into sine theta, assuming the theta is included angle between the two sides. And the third area of the area of parallelogram we can use, where you can use Heroin formula to find the area.
Sir,
Ah,
I just wanted to ask you something, that if it's fine with you, if you take my tuition, like both the tuition classes in the afternoon.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Evening, some other classes you are doing?
Not classes, sir. Actually, my mom needs help that time,
Oh,
so I'm
yeah,
not
yeah,
able to
cooking.
help her.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good, Dhwani. I'm proud of you. You're thinking about your mom. So I'll take both the classes in afternoon only.
Thank you, sir.
You could tell anytime, anything you feel, na Dhwani. I'll be very happy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So so we talked about the third. So the third formula of the area of parallelogram would be, we can use Heroin formula. So now we'll discuss this question number fifth. ABCD is a parallelogram with side AB is equal to 12 centimeter. A diagonal AC and BD are of length 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. Find the area of parallelogram. So how will you do this question? So AB is the parallelogram with AB is equal to 12. The diagonal AC.
So AB and BC will be the same.
AB parallelogram, no. So AB
Yes, sir.
will not be same. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this, you can take this as some X or something.
Yes, sir. AB and BC will be same, na?
DC.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah. This is X, this is X.
And the diagonals are 20 and 16.
Yes.
Okay.
So Dhwani, can you, like, you know that in parallelogram diagonal bisect each other?
Sir, is it 96 centimeters square?
96 centimeters square. How you did, Dhwani?
So it's you wrote like the 10, 8 and theta is there. So the perpendicular will be 12.
12 will be perpendicular. Why, Dhwani?
So opposite of theta is perpendicular.
But that happens in the case of right angle triangle, na, Dhwani? But here there is no right angle. Na? That is true only perpendicular. If there's 90-degree, imagine that this would have been right angle triangle. It is only. You know that, right? In the case of parallelogram, the diagonal bisect each other.
Yes, sir.
So if diagonal bisect each other, then this will become 10. Think like this triangle AOB. Think as a triangle AOB. So this would be 10, this would be 8, this would be 12. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If I find the area of this triangle and if I multiply that with 4, I'll get the area of complete parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Work. So like that way. Try like that way. But then how will you find the area of this parallelogram? This is side is x. That way then it will not work. 1 minute. So this and this area will work. Then how will you find the area? X1.
Sir, is it 148.4 centimeter square?
Answer is given in book 60 root 7.
Yes, sir. 60 root 7. If you
How
take,
you got 60 root 7?
yes, sir. So the Heron's formula, when you use,
Mm-hmm.
you'll that will become root 15 into 3 into 7 into 5.
No, I was like, because here we don't know the other side, no? We know only AB and CD. We don't know about AD and BC.
Sir, so we can mark that point as O. So if we take that, OA will be equal to OC, which will be half into AC.
That is 10 and 10. Half of AC are 10, 10.
10 and OB and is equal to OD half into
Uh-huh.
BD, which
That
is
is 8, 8, 8, 8.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
But
that
in
we
this
got,
triangle, we don't know the third side. Na? So half AB sine theta, if you
so
use.
12 is given, no third side.
नहीं ध्वनि, सिर्फ one side is given. AB is 12. What AB is 12, then CD will be 12. But what about AD and BC? We don't know AD and BC here.
So I didn't take any of that. I just took AB 12, OB 8, OA 10, and by Heron's formula, when you do that, it will be.
No, you see this, Dhwani, what is happening now? First, I also did the same thing by heroin formula only. Then
Yeah, so that's how I got 60.
that is only possible only if all the sides are. Then it should be they have done mistake in the question. Then it should be rhombus or something like that. Not rhombus, although they should mention that all sides are equal something. But that way, then rhombus diagonal should be 90-degree here.
Sir, it's we can
देखो
say that
ध्वनि यहाँ पे क्या दिया ध्वनि?
yes, sir. So see, the diagonals divide the
हाँ करेक्ट ध्वनि.
into
ये
4.
8
So
हो
you
जाएगा,
can
ये 8 हो जाएगा, ये 10 हो जाएगा, ये 10 हो जाएगा, करेक्ट?
no, sir. When you do the Heron's formula first, you'll get 15 root 7, right?
15 root 7 for first triangle.
Yes, sir.
You mean
So
AOB.
that we know when we know that the diagonals of the parallelogram divides the parallelogram into 4 equal parts. So when you multiply 4 into 15 root 7, you get 60 root 7.
That way, yeah, diagonal of the parallelogram divide. Okay, fine. That is the only option left with me because this and this side is not given. So
yes, sir. That's how I did it. The diagonals of the parallelogram divided into 4 equal triangles. So we can do 4 into 15 root 7, which is 60 root 7.
that is the only, that would the only option left. That can happen if that is possible. What you are saying, the other way of that is, it means this and this should be 12. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Then means the other way, converse of what you're saying means the all sides are 12, 12, 12. The only problem with this thing, if everything become 12, 12, 12, it become a rhombus. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If it become a rhombus, then it should follow Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
But this is not following Pythagoras theorem because 10 square is 100 and 8 square is 64 and that is not equal to 144. 144 is not 164 square. Anyhow, so when you're doing, we getting the answer, but there's a problem with the question. Means whoever said the question, so that way they are somehow not satisfying the property properly. Minus 10, so we're getting the value under root 50 into 7 into 3 into 5. So I'm writing this 3 square into 5 square into 7. So this is 15 root 7. So this is one area triangle into 4. So I'm saying 60 root 7. I'm telling you this answer 60 root 7. This is given in book also. So
yes, sir. So when you substitute root 7 is 2.64.
we can do that. We can do that. Only thing is that if we are saying this is the answer, it means this should be x should be equal to 12. You're getting
12, yes, sir, because 4 equal,
yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, that we can't do anything. So this rhombus, what is the area formula of rhombus, Dhoni? Half into d1.
So half into d1 into
d1
d2.
into d2. Yeah. Based on this, we'll solve the question.
So the first one is 40 centimeter.
40. 40, yeah.
So the other side is 14.
Correct. Any meter, Dhoni? 4 into 8, 12.
12, yes, sir.
You have to include this also. This is 3 and this is 2.5. You can apply the
Oh, okay.
to height. I was also wondering how to do. So you have to include that also. So base into height because rhombus is after parallelogram. So 3 into 2.5, you will get 7.5 centimeters square.
Yes, sir.
I was also thinking.
I was finding the
Yeah.
diagram.
I was
didn't
like
see.
thinking, I was thinking, oh my god, what to do now? Is there any way? Is there any way? Is there any way? I was thinking. With height only, then all the sides are equal. Then half into D1, D2, diagonals, perpendicular, everything was coming. Diagonals are given 8 and 4. So diagonal of the rhombus bisect each other, bisect at the right angle. They are bisect always perpendicular. So you will get the side of the rhombus is 5 centimeter. So if you get the side 5, then the perimeter will be 20.
20.
20. You understand the ninth one?
Yes, sir. So 10, 20, yeah.
B is into 1. Trapezium, you know the area of trapezium, half into sum of two parallel sides into height.
Half, yes, sir. Trapezium is half into height A plus B. A plus B
Yeah.
is sum of parallel sides.
Suppose this is A, this is B. So in trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel while others pair of sides are non-parallel. The sides which are non-parallel, we call them oblique sides. If they are equal, then we call that as isosceles trapezium. If this is equal to this, I'll call this isosceles trapezium. Area of the trapezium half into C into A plus B.
So 45 meter. So 10.
Very good then. Distance between the parallel side means what, Dhoni? Height only.
Height, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Huh. The shortest distance between the two parallel line is a perpendicular line between them. Other way, that is the height only. 4.36, 3.1.
So 5.
5 you are getting.
Yes.
Is this getting divisible? Which,
Sir, I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
how you did them?
Sir, I wrote 18.85 is equal to half into height into 7.54. So 7.54 will go by 2, will become 3.77. So 18.85 divided by 3.77 is equal to height. So 3.77 into 5 is equal to.
Okay. You understood this fourth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. X is 10.
X is 10, then we get 2x, 5x.
Yeah, 2x is 20 and 5x is 50.
You just write it down. ADBC is 5. So
AD is equal to
B is
BC
5.
is equal to
AD
5.
equal to BC equal to 5.
AB is equal to 7.
And parallel side AB, DC,
AB,
the height means height is 4.
BC are 4 centimeter.
And DC is X. DC is X. Okay. I'm going to show you the flow here. Maybe if that is given there, if not given, then again we need to cross verify. Yeah. It is given only. So ABDC is 5. ADBC is 5. Both are 5. So it's isosceles trapezium. AB is 7. Okay, height is 4. Height is 4. Okay, so height is 4. So if this is 4, this is 5, 4. This would be 3. This would be 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
फिर क्या बोल रहा है? क्या एरिया निकालना है? यू हैव टू फाइंड एरिया, करेक्ट? सो ये 7 है ध्वनि, तो ये भी 7 हो जाएगा बिकॉज रेक्टेंगल।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
ये
sir.
7 हो जाएगा, तो ये 13 हो गया। एरिया के लिए क्या करेंगे? हाफ
Yes, sir.
इंटू
Half
7
into
प्लस 13,
4
20
is.
होगा ना। 7 प्लस 13, 20 ना ध्वनि। 7 प्लस 13, 20
Yes, sir.
इंटू 4, ये 40 आ गया।
40. Yes, sir.
ध्वनि for height, altitude I need, I'll draw this. Suppose this is h, so this will be 3.9. So suppose this is x, this is x. So I can say 3.9 plus 2x will be equal to 7.5. So 2x is equal to 7.5 minus 3.9. This is 3.6. So x is equal to 1.8. X is equal to 1.8. Correct, Nadoni? X is equal to 1.8. If I get x equal to 1.8, I can find h. H would be under root of 2.6 square minus 1.8 square. 2.6 square 6.76, 1.8 square 3.24. So if I solve this, this is 676, then this is 324, 3.54. So the value of h is equal to under root of, the value of h is equal to, the value of h is equal to under root of, under root. So the value of h is equal to under root of, how much you're getting? 6 point, under root of 3.54. Understood, Nadoni?
Yes, sir.
So now I have to find the under root of 3.54. So I can find 3.54, 18 square 324, 19 square is 361. So the answer should be 1.8 something. So this will be 1 This will be 2. This is 1, 254. Then 8 then 8 this is 36. This is 28 8 8 8 64. 6 carry. So 8 to the 16 plus 6 224. This is 30 300. Now in the table 36 table 3 6 7 7 49 48 4 2 5. Okay, using smaller numbers. I think we'll go by 8. We'll go by 8. 3 6 8 8. 8 8 64. 6 carry 48 54. 5 carry 29. Yeah, it will going by 8. So 1.88. 1.88. 1.88 I got. H is 1.88. So area, what would be the area? Area is half into the height into sum of parallel side. 3.9 and 7.5. 14. 114. 114. So this is half into 188 by 100 into 114 by 10. So this is 94. This is 57 by 5. This is 57 by 50. So area is equal to 47 into 57 by 250. I can find this now. 47 into 57, 250. I can write 1000 by 4. No? Find this value. 47 into 57. 57. This is 20. 28 35. 28 35. 4 or 5? 9. 7 nines are 63. 9. This is 9 7 6 7 9, and then into 4 if I do 36 3 carry, 31 3 carry, 27 2 carry, 8 10. So then 3 decimal 10.716 something you should get. You are correct. Then 10.716 should be the answer. Let me check from the book. Question number, yeah, 10.7. I have done more hard work than book. Book is given 10.7. Okay, you understood the same formula, only nothing unnecessary complicated question was there. Clear है दोनों?
Yes, sir.
8 1 is good. This one is given like this. Something like this. This is 1.8 meter. Then this is 2.4 meter. This is 0.3 meter. This is 1.2 meter. This is 0.6 meter. Okay, so what I can do, so I can just complete this diagram. So now I subtract this area A, B, C, D from what should I write? A, M, N, P, something. So if I write area of this trapezium AMNP, from this if I subtract the area of ABCD, I'll get the area. Correct, Nadhoni?
Yes, sir.
So J point, this is 0.6, this is 0.3. This will be 0.9 meter. Okay, this is 2.4. This is 1.2. So this will be 3.6 meter. I got the dimension of trapezium half into height 3.6 to sum of parallel side 1.8 into 2.9 2.7 minus area of ABCD 1.2 into 0.3. This is 1.8 into 2.7 minus 12 3 is 36 2 decimal 0.36 18 into 27 9 2s are 9 9 into 2 into 9 into 3 9 9s are 81 81 6s are 486 2 decimal 4.86 4.86 minus 0.36 0.36 I think so it should be 4.5 something. Which question was it? Question number 8 8 4.5. Any doubt, Dhoni?
No, sir. Sir, AB is 8. Sir, so the area is 40.
Very good. Dhoni. Now see this. What is 10th one? 10th one. Theory is written. It's a trapezium perpendicular. Okay, okay. Then some trapezium is given. Yeah. Now, thing is that I'll do this problem. So here AM equal to BN given. Okay, and AB is 4.4. This CD is 3. If CD is 3, so how much left? 1.4. So this will be 0.7. This will be 0.7. Then this will become 2.5. Got it now? Pythagoras theorem. So
Yes, sir. Yes.
the tunnel, this is a tunnel, okay? This is like face of tunnel. Just think like this is the what you say entry point of tunnel. And this tunnel is no this all are in meter, okay? This tunnel is 50-meter deep. This tunnel is like this 50-meter deep. And then there also you will have this the same way. There also entrance also you will have the same way. Okay, have the same way. So there also be there you will have same way. Better diagram, better way like this. I hope you understand it. It's like 50-meter deep. So it's like this is a tunnel. Okay, so when I read this question, I was like very confused how to do. First was the cost of painting the internal surface of the tunnel, excluding the floor. Internal surface of tunnel excluding the floor at the rate of 5 rupees per meter square. Then it was cost of paving the floor. Floor means this is your, you can understand when you enter, think of the three dimension. When you enter, so it would be like this. This is 50-meter and this is what? This is 4.4. Can you understand this? Floor I'm talking about. Think like a tunnel. Are you getting me, Dhwani?
Yes, sir.
So the area of this floor would have been 220. If I'm 4400 get cancelled, 44 fives are, it would be 220 meters square, the area of the floor. And if you do this paving that at the rate of 18 per meter square, then it should be 30, 18 to the 36, then 36. It should be 393960 rupees if I'm not wrong. 18 into 220. 18 into 220. Okay, so 3960. So this is the area of doing the area would have been how much? 50 into 4.4 means 220, and then per meter square the cost is 18 rupees. Similarly, the cost of painting the internal surface of tunnel. Internal surface of tunnel means I'll not include the floor. Are you getting me, Dhwani? If I'm internal,
Yes, sir.
so that what you say that roof of the tunnel. So roof of the tunnel. So this is what three na. This is three na. I'm not getting. This is three. Yeah. So this is three. So this is three, and this is 50. I hope you're understanding. This is three. This is 50. So this would be the area of the roof of the tunnel. 3 into 50, that is 150. Correct? Plus this,
Yes, sir.
see this area. So this is 50 and this is 2.5. So like this, the other way also 2.5 into 50. I hope you understand it. 2 into 2.5 into 50. Can you understand? Both the side wall, Dhwani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is 150 plus this is what? 50 to the 100. This is 250. So this is 400 meters square, and that is 5 rupees. This would be 2000 rupees. They are not, they cannot show us three dimension. So that part we need to visualize. Eleventh one.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Dhoni?
Yes, sir. So 12th one is 8.4 meter.
84 means 21 to pencil. That is 7 by 4. 7 by 4. I'm doing something wrong. One minute. No, no, no. Something is wrong. The cross section of a canal is in the shape of trapezium. The canal is 12 meter wide at the top.
So depth will be x half into 12 plus uh,
Wide at top and 8 meter wide at the bottom. 8 meter wide at the bottom. This is like this ulta reverse trapezium. Okay. So calculate its depth. Height only they ask me. What am 12? This is 20 into x. This is 84. Yeah. So this is 5. This is 21. Yeah. So h is equal to what? 21 to the 42 by 5. Yeah, 8.4. Okay, Dhoni. So this much was there. So whenever you get time, you send me those questions. I'll send you more questions. Dhoni, tomorrow are you free? Because someday next week I need to take my wife to the hospital. So I want to take class tomorrow. If that okay with you?
yes, sir.
Okay. So afternoon time, 3:30 something time. Are you free that time?
Yeah, yes, sir. So how will
You
you
tell
take
me
both?
what if both I'll take both the class. So I'll half
So
an
you can do 1 to 2 and then 2:30 to 3:30.
okay, great. I'll do that. 1 to 2, 2:30, 3:30. Because
Yes, sir.
some because lockdown is again extended. So
Yes, sir.
we were waiting that the lockdown will get over, then I'll take her to doctor. But again now I can't wait more. So someday I'll take an appointment. So whichever day doctor give appointment, so that day I may take a break. So that's why I thought I'll take class on Sunday.
Yes, sir. No issues.
Okay, Dhwani. Then I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhwani. Bye.